Welcome to the Services and Spaces Microsimulation. In this microsimulation, we take on the role of a business owner in establishing and operating a service retail outlet in a competitive market. Our goal is to grow the business while balancing financial performance, customer experience, and operational efficiency. Every decision we make will influence the business's profitability, customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and long-term sustainability. Upon entering the simulation, we will see various tabs: Game Arena, Readings, Forum, and Leaderboard. Our initial move should be to head to the Readings tab, where we are provided with the necessary reading material and a video tutorial. The reading material provides guidance on the decision-making process, while the walkthrough video provides insights into the scenario, market outlook, and decisions required. Following that, we engage with the forum, where we can interact with the professor either individually or with the entire course. Lastly, there is the Leaderboard tab, where we can track our position at the end of each round and compare our performance with fellow participants. Before making any decisions, we return to the Game Arena and explore the introduction and market sections to review insights about the business opportunity, customer segments, and market conditions. The Food for Thought segment will also guide our decision-making by providing reflective questions. Answering these is mandatory and essential for progress. Then we move into the Location section. Here, we evaluate the available locations by comparing customer profiles, footfall potential, competition, customer spending patterns, operating costs, and business opportunities. We also decide how to manage licensing and regulatory compliance by selecting the most appropriate compliance approach. Next, we enter the Demand section. Here, we estimate expected demand by analyzing customer population, purchasing behavior, competition, demand trends, and customer personas. Accurate demand forecasting is essential, as forecasting errors increase operational costs and impact overall profitability. From there, we continue to the Investment section. This is where we build the foundation of our business by selecting the interior design, product mix, supplier, and operational technologies. We decide which investments best support our target customers while balancing customer experience, operational capability, and available financial resources. Our next step is the Marketing section. Here, we determine the selling price by evaluating customer demand and profitability. We decide how to allocate our promotional budget across the available marketing channels and choose the service model that best aligns with our target customers. These decisions directly influence customer acquisition, revenue, customer satisfaction, and overall business performance. After making all our decisions, we visit the decision checklist to review the choices we've made. If we wish to revise any decision, we simply navigate back to the respective decision-making area. Once we are satisfied with our decisions, we submit them by clicking Submit and confirm by selecting Save and Proceed. In the Report section, we can access detailed insights into our financial and operational performance. Here, we will see how our decisions have impacted key business metrics such as profitability, operating costs, cash position, demand forecasting accuracy, and overall business performance. Finally, the Synopsis section provides an overall summary of the key decision areas and outcomes, helping us reflect on our decisions and refine our strategy for future rounds. Good luck!